Last week, I walked into QuickDraw Rare Coins, my local coin shop, like I have dozens of times before. Although this time was different. The showroom floor was packed. Johnny and Angela were 2 deep each. I walk in and make eye contact with Angela and then Johnny, and then from the back of the room, I hear, "Hey, Turbo!" Turned out to be one of Johnny's customers and one of the channel's subscribers. Thank you, Rocco. At that point, I started talking with Angela about whatever deal it was that I was trying to make that day. And a customer walks past me and then turns around and says, "Excuse me, I don't normally do this, but I wanted to let you know that I really like your videos. You're doing a really good job, and I learn a lot from them." Then he said, "Can I ask you a question?" Sure. He said, "Well, what are you buying? And what do you think about the market?" And after I wrapped that conversation up, I turned back to Angela and looked at her, and she had a knowing look in her eye and said, "You really needed that right now, didn't you?" Truth is, I did. I am Turbo, and this is Turbo Stacking, where we stack with purpose. Let's roll. A few weeks ago, I was looking over channel statistics while paying for yearly subscriptions for some of the software I use to produce the videos. And I started questioning the channel's direction, I guess. At one point, the channel was gaining hundreds of subscribers per month. Now we're losing subscribers. At one point, I was getting 30,000 views on videos. Now I'm getting 150. So as you can see, I've been running a lot of things through my head. What did I do different? And I was able to pinpoint, I think, where I started going wrong. And that had to do with leveraging AI for research. And you guys all know when you use AI, it'll give you what you want, and then it'll give you options for giving you more, and then more, and more. Well, I fell into that trap. And my videos, while maybe being more polished, were becoming more AI and changing the focus. I know I have a niche, basically a 3-ratio system, but as I found that niche, it seems I've lost a lot of momentum. So I started questioning, why did I even start this? Am I building the channel that I really wanted to build? Well, after thinking about it quite a bit, it turned out I wasn't. I started questioning myself. Not about gold and silver, but about the channel, about why did I start? Has the channel become what I wanted it to be? Am I helping people the way I want to help them? Well, it turns out I wasn't. So I decided to take a little time off and take a vacation, get away from it all, and figure it all out in my head and see if I wanted to continue forward. So my wife and I decided to take a week off and go to Antigua. So we did. Beautiful, beautiful ocean, beautiful views right from our room. But then one night we came across something that I'll never forget. They didn't know everything that was waiting for them. They just knew which direction to go. That made me realize something. Sometimes you don't need all the answers. You just need to know which direction to go. And that's exactly where I am with turbo stacking. Since returning from Antigua, I've spent the past week and a half rebuilding the channel. Not from the outside, but from the inside. I've got quite a bit of planning here. Mission, audience, values, interview series, education, community, brand voice, thumbnail system, the turbo standard, and studio redesign. Apparently, I've decided to rebuild an entire company as opposed to creating just another video. And of course, as fate would have it, as you guys may know, the closer you get to God, the more the demons come after you. Well, upon return from Antigua, we were given the news that our air conditioning is out. So I spent the past 4 days gathering bids for a new air conditioning system. That air conditioning system happens to cool our second floor. Well, guess who offices out of the second floor? Both Turbo and his wife, Mrs. Turbo. So this has been a tough week to say the least. It's been 105 degrees here, no AC on the second floor. It could be worse, but that's how fate goes. So please bear with us during this rebuilding time. Better yet, why don't you guys come along with me and rebuild with me? So over this past week and a half, I've realized something. I'm not just rebuilding a channel, I'm rebuilding the reason for me starting the channel. This channel was never about gold, silver, platinum. It was about discipline. It was about making a plan and sticking to it, getting rid of the emotions. It was about stewardship, showing others what you've discovered, bringing them along the precious metals stacking walk or journey. It's also been about financial resilience, having that backup on top of the cash in your safe, on top of your savings, on top of your stocks, on top of your IRA and or 401k. Real metal, real wealth. When everything else goes down, gold and silver normally will take a dip, but then roar to life. It's also about generational wealth, passing it on to your children. And it's also a great hobby, a good way to spend money if you're going to spend money, buying real money with your fiat dollars. That's not a hobby to be embarrassed of. It's also about learning together. It's about sharing the knowledge of what you learned, passing it on, making the industry grow. The more people that buy, the higher that price goes. So remember that. And it's also about helping ordinary people build extraordinary futures. I am the perfect example of that. Over the past 3 years, my life is flipped upside right, I guess I should say. So I like to share that story and help people along and encourage them, because purchasing and possessing precious metals absolutely can change your life around. Not just your finances, but your attitude, your positivity, your aura, if you will. So what comes next? Well, I've decided to turn this adventure of the channel rebuild into a series. The rebuild's going to take quite a bit. We're rebuilding everything, possibly even down to the logo. I've got documents I've created. I've got a mission statement. I've got the turbo standard. I've got viewer promise and content pillars, billboards, and a channel reality check, as well as additional documentation for helping me produce videos without scripting. So this is all new to me. When I first started the channel, I did a little bit of research, and the research I did stated that the big channels absolutely script their shows. Well, so that's what I did. Well, not out the gate, about 6 months ago. And that was a mistake. I think authenticity is more appreciated than sounding like a robot. So I no longer write any scripts. I just write an outline and refer to it as I can. As you see, I'm going to be on camera more. That's one thing that's been uncovered in this discovery process. But regardless, I would like to bring you guys along. Future episodes are going to include building the turbo standard, which is a document that basically states who I am, who the channel is, and where we're going. We're also going to have interviews with people that I trust, all of them close friends, one or two since grade school, and also my coin dealer, Johnny, although he doesn't know it yet, and possibly others as the show progresses, maybe even some of our subscribers. We have a lot of talent out there on this channel. A lot of people that have been stacking for a long time and have a lot of good strategies. So it'd be great to get one or two of you guys on the channel to talk about your experience and how you started and where you're going. And I've also created a build board for the series, which includes covering items for the channel rebrand or rebuild. And we have a checklist, which every single episode we'll check off one or two and go over those items that we checked off. If you've been around the channel for a while, tell me why in the comments below, or better yet, what made you stick around? Additionally, I want to say thank you to quite a few people here. First of all, new channel members, thank you to, we have 2 new channel members, Clancy Flynn and 60S, which is Greg. Thank you guys very much for your membership. It means a lot. We'll be getting together and talking about different opportunities the channel can provide, or opportunities the channel can provide for members only. I'd like to get your feedback, and then we'll implement here within the next, once the channel rebrand is done, as a part of the channel rebrand or rebuild. Thank you guys very much. I'd also like to thank Johnny and Angela and Dean, the QuickDraw Rare Coin crew, my newest mentors. Losing Louie is still my online mentor, but Johnny and Angela and Dean have also joined that mentorship of Turbo. I'd also like to thank Rocco, who owns Rocco's Barbershop, I believe it is, Rocco's Barbershop in Pilot Point, Texas. He was the customer and subscriber in the background who welcomed me in last week. Thank you, Rocco. As well as Robert, who was very instrumental in filling me full of positivity at a time that I needed it. I appreciate you, Robert. Thank you very much. God bless. As well as a few channel members, Ben Baker, Chris in Virginia, of course, Greg, Margot, Adams, OC Stacker, The Prospect Stacker, Silver Tariff, Sober Stacker 71, what's up, brother? Steven Simpson, Lawrence Howard, Lamont Cranston. By the way, if you guys haven't checked out Sober Stacker 71, give him a look. Read message and has really also turned his life around with precious metals. Very positive story. Let's see, Lamont Cranston, Lawrence Howard, Sticky Flowers, KCT Wig, 1967, Matt Campbell, North Carolina Stacker, 999, and Dr. Detroit, among others. But these 16 different subscribers sent me a lot of positivity during the past few weeks. So thank you very much. God bless you all. And all that encouragement does mean a lot. Thank you for joining us. And I honestly want to say I believe that my best videos are yet to be filmed. Be watching out for updates. I did perform a trade last week. I traded 1 ounce of gold for 3 25-gram platinum packs, so 75 grams of platinum, which is about 2.4 ounces. I also made a couple of other trades with about 0.15 ounce of gold for, I think, almost 10 ounces of silver, something like that. I'll do a video about that as well as time permits, but I did make a trade of gold for platinum last week. I don't know where this journey is going to take the channel, but I do know one thing. I don't want to do it alone. So please come on along with. I'd love to have you. Let's build this together. As we build this channel together, remember, everyone who hears these words of mine and puts them into practice is like a wise man who built his house on the rock. Let's build Turbo Stacking 2.0 on a foundation that lasts. See you next week. All the glory goes to God, and may God bless you all. As you were, stack with purpose, Turbo out.